Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Well, we're going to get started in a little different location today. We got to feed all the calves, so the kids are out here feeding them. That's my granddaughter Alyssa and my grandson Levi. What's their names?
Sunflower and Maybell.
You got a bunch of them in there.
Yeah, there's a lot.
We try to keep most of them pinned up while we feed a couple of them because they go hectic and
They go crazy.
It's hard to feed 7 or 8 at a time when they're all running free like that. But, all right, well, we're going to get to feeding these things and then
we'll talk about the car in a little bit. All right, so we finished feeding the calves.
and we're going to get started on the car here in just a few minutes. We want to get the panel mounted, the window moved, actually the frame that goes around there, and then try to get all our panels welded in with our door posts and all that. I don't know if the kids are going to help us. Are you guys going to help us?
With the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. I've only been in one episode. I want to be more famous.
All right. Well, she's going to be the famous one because she's got more drama than all of us put together.
And if you guys want to see more videos or see more of us feeding animals, we've got a whole farm here. So
We got turkeys, chickens, pigs,
One pig,
guineas,
actually.
and they're all hollering. You can hear everything hollering.
It's not plural.
These calves we got them from a farmer that well, they were going to be put down, so we took them. We did pay him a little something because he was hurting, so we bought them, and we're going to try to raise them and find them homes. We're not going to eat them. Don't worry, we're not going to eat them.
these are milk cows, so we're going to sell them back to dairy farmers so they go to a good place.
Yeah, we're going to try to find them a dairy farm to go to.
A locally sourced one, so it's not a big industry that's going to mistreat them and whatnot. But
Yeah.
we plan on getting actually 3 more this upcoming weekend. So.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we're supposed to pick up 3 more next weekend. But unfortunately, we've only been taking the heifers because we know what the bulls are used for, and we just don't want to. We don't want to go that route. We're
What
just
route?
going
They eat them?
to. They eat them.
Where do you think hamburgers come from?
So we're keeping the girls because we know they'll go to a milk farm. So that's what's going to go with these.
Yay!
All right, let's get down here and get to work.
Lego.
All right, let's do it.
Lego.
All right, I'm back working on this thing. As you can see, I cut out this piece. I'm moving it over here. And I thought about just closing this up before I did that, but when I set a piece of metal in here, I like the way the contour looks. It makes it look more original as far as a sedan delivery goes. So now I just have to, I still got a lot of grinding and cleaning up to do on some of this stuff, but what I want to do is get this in the right position, which I cut this off level with the, so I can set this on, and it should line straight up with this. That's my plan. I hope it works out that way. But I'll measure it before I weld it up solid. And then I gotta make the piece that comes in between here. I'm gonna leave the post, I'm just gonna go around it because it'll be covered up anyways. I just like the arch. I wanna make sure it's got the nice arch in it, so it looks like an original sedan delivery. But it's coming, got this panel in. Put a few more braces in here to sturdy everything up. And this stuff will all get cleaned up and covered up because I still have to build this roof piece to go across here. This will cover up all this. And then I'll have to build a piece here. So, let me get at this thing. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this. I'm going to start making my pieces to go from here to here. And that fits right over my doorpost just like it should. I did have to cut this out because I put that brace there. So all I did is cut it out so it's going to sit more level with the car. And it won't bother anything because, like I said, that metal that I put in here will cover all this up. You will never see it. And then when I do the inside, I plan on boxing that in with, probably going to use wood through the whole thing, all the way up to the front doors. Maybe some poplar or, I don't want cedar because it smells. but I'm thinking maybe poplar or red oak to go inside, and I'm gonna do the whole thing with wood on the inside. I think that'll look nice. So let me get at it. Well, I would have liked to have got more done, but I got to go feed some animals. Okay, I made the piece. I just got a lot of welding. It's just tacked right there. I'm still gonna have to do some hammer and dolly work on it. It took me a lot longer to make this than I was thinking, just because I had to do a lot of hammer and dolly to get this round. I probably didn't have to make it look exactly like it, but I thought, what the heck, I'm doing it, might as well do it right. I could have just squared that off and then run my piece around here to cover it up, but I guess I like to make things look good. So anyway, that's what we got so far. It's coming one piece at a time, so once I get those two connected up at the top there, what I'll do then is cut me a piece to fill in that whole area and start on the other side, or start on the roof, one or the other. This piece right here above the doors, I could start making that piece, finish out everything, get all the panels made for this side, and then move to the other side. But all right, it'll probably be tomorrow evening. I'll be back at it. All right, what I did is I made that bottom piece and the top piece, and I cut out some patterns. I'm gonna make this all one piece, but I just put this up here so I could get the right shape. That's gonna be covered up. That's why I didn't bother trying to bend it. I bent the back piece here to fit in so I could weld it in on the inside. Bottom piece is all in here, but I wanted this piece of metal that I'm going to cut to fit inside this lip. I thought it would look nice if I can just get it to sit inside this lip right here, and that's my plans for it. And believe it or not, the reason I did two pieces, I thought I could just make one in the back there and then flip it around and cut the front, but the front and back are different. Of course they are. I didn't know that, but this is what we're getting there. I get this side all closed in, and then I'll work on that roof piece up there and get that all closed in, and then I'll move to the other side. But it's coming along pretty good. I already marked out a piece of metal. I just haven't cut it yet. It's getting dark on me, and I've been kind of feeling under the weather all day today. I just came out here for a couple hours, so we'll get back at it and we'll see a little bit. All right, folks, that's going to be it for this video. For the next video, I believe what we're going to do is get everything welded up good and solid. We're going to make this piece to close it in where the window used to be. And we're going to start, if we got time, we're going to start on that top piece and see if we can't figure that out. That's probably going to be a little more difficult, but that's where we're headed with it. And hopefully we can finish out this side and get started on the next video for the other side.
We gotta go pick up more metal for this, but in the next video, we certainly will be starting on this panel.
Yeah.
And then everything will get welded solid, of course.
And then a bunch of grinding and a lot of boring stuff that we won't show. So.
But it's slowly starting to look like a vehicle.
Yeah, it's really starting to turn out good. I'm happy with the way it's going. I really am. It's working out good.
But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And another thing, on this gear motor, we had a question about it. The thing actually, it's a Baldor industrial gear reduction motor with a Dart control systems is what this is. And if you want to email, I'll send you the you can just email our YouTube email. What is that?
It's rebornrust@gmail.com. It'll be down in the description.
And then what I can do is just put you two together, the guy that has these things, and it'll just cut out the middleman, and you can deal directly with him whether you pick it up or you ship it or however you want to work it out.
But we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Thank you.